Friend, there is a valid trend and invalid trend line. So at first I want to say, please you check at first the trend line and don't get any trap. So be careful. You trend line at first apply. If feel that there is something wrong, there is not appropriate trend line, then please avoid this trend line and don't get any trade that very time. Okay. And one thing I would like to say, you at first knowledge about trend from where trend line you apply, and then you can see properly what you want, what you have to do, etc. So please remember one thing, you always go with valid trends. Okay.